Hello everyone, I am Vishwaranjan Devata, a research scholar from CGU, India. I am very grateful to be a part of this international conference on cognitive and intelligent computing 2021 organized by CMR College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Today, I will present a systematic literature review on pulmonary dissection using machine learning. The author, along with me, Dr. Sudhir Kumar Mahapatra and Dr. Rosalind Priyadarshini. So let's go to the next slide, which contains list of contents. In this slide, we will discuss about introduction, why this systematic literature review, what is the conducting review, study selection criteria, result and a discussion part, conclusion, and finally the references. Then go to the next slide, which includes the introduction. Here, basically pulmonary disease is a category of respiratory tract infection which affects our lungs and other parts of the respiratory system. The objective of the pulmonary disease detection is to diagnose the disease early and with least cost. We did this literature review to identify the gaps from the previous pulmonary disease related studies and design our methodology based on the previous one. Then why the systematic literature review we conduct? Basically, to identify, to evaluate, and to interpreting all the available research gaps about pulmonary disease detection, we conduct this systematic literature review as a review methodology. There are some reasons why we select a systematic literature review as a review methodology. Systematic literature review can define search strategy which ensure the completeness of the primary studies to be assessed in our review. It has well-defined primary study which includes some inclusion and exclusion criteria which allow us to filter out more relevant documents for our review. It is very easy to understand for the readers. It makes the result of the review less likely biased and reporting the report that support our review system. We conduct this literature review to answer the following three review questions. The first review question is, what type of technique the researcher can use to detect pulmonary disease? Research question 2 is, how other technique can be detect pulmonary diseases? And final, the last one is, which technique accurately predict the pulmonary disease? Then come to the next slide, why we conducting the review. The coverage of our systematic literature review includes the main area of machine learning. To find out the primary studies for a review, we use some keywords like machine learning, CNN, pulmonary disease detection, deep learning, and chest X-ray images. By using the above keyword, we approximately downloaded 160 papers published between 2015 to 2021. The primary studies searched for the systematic literature review is in the following database like IEEE Explore, Google Scholar, ACM Digital Library, Web of Science, and Science Direct, and Springer Library, etc. We used some inclusion and exclusion criteria to select our primary study for our review purpose. The inclusion criteria consist of the study must be published between the year 2015 to 2021. Next one, the study must be published in a conference proceeding or must be published in journal issues. Studies discuss about the pulmonary disease detection. Studies which can answer one of our more research questions. And the exclusion criteria consist studies do not related to the pulmonary disease detection, studies that are not full paper or not short paper or PhD thesis and the study not written in English. These papers we have excluded from our studies. Based on the above inclusion and exclusion criteria, we select basically 10 primary studies out of 160 total paper, and we select which study good for answering our review questions. Then come to the next slide, which includes result and discussion part. Here, the research question 1, which asks what type of technique researchers can basically use to detect pulmonary disease. Basically, the researchers used some machine learning technique and frame works like CNN, deep learning, DCNN, Covey-Frame network, Gray-level co-occurrence matrix, support vector machine to predict the pulmonary diseases. Research question 2. Here, how other techniques can detect pulmonary disease. In this question, basically, uh, uh, which techniques except machine learning technique that can detect pulmonary disease. The researchers used some traditional and other techniques like image enhancing technique, automatic B-line detection algorithm, LFM technique, CAD system, bispectral analysis method, and a non-invasive detection method to predict pulmonary diseases. And the final question is, which technique accurately predict the pulmonary disease? That means from research question 1 or research question 2 in machine learning technique or without machine learning technique, which technique detect the pulmonary disease and meet the accuracy rate. So research question 1, that is the machine learning technique, detect the pulmonary disease and meet the accuracy rate of 99.5%. Whereas the traditional technique detect the pulmonary disease and meet the accuracy of 92.5%. The last one is the conclusion part. Here, according to our literature review, different researchers uses different techniques to detect pulmonary disease and different technique to generate different outputs. The output may depend on the input images. According to the literature review, machine learning technique accuracy is better as compared to the traditional technique. Then these are the following references from which we can get some ideas related to this work. Again, I am very grateful for giving this opportunity to present my paper in this conference. Thank you. Have a good day.